Welcome. Today, let's walk through how to block third-party cookies in incognito mode using Google Chrome. If you're looking for more privacy while browsing, especially in incognito mode, this quick guide will help you set up Chrome to block those tracking cookies with just a few taps. Start by opening the Chrome app on your device. Once Chrome is open, look towards the top right corner of your screen for the three dots icon. Tap on these three dots to open the menu, then select Settings from the list that appears. Now that you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled Privacy and Security. Tap on it to access more privacy options. Within the Privacy and Security section, look for the option called Third-Party Cookies. Go ahead and tap on this option. This is where you can control how Chrome handles cookies from sites other than the one you're visiting. You'll see a few different choices for how Chrome manages third-party cookies. To block them only while you're browsing in incognito mode, select the option that says Block Third-Party Cookies in Incognito Mode. Once you've chosen this setting, Chrome will prevent third-party cookies from tracking you whenever you open a new incognito tab, but will still allow them in regular browsing if you need certain sites to work properly. That's it. You've just made your incognito browsing even more private. Blocking third-party cookies helps reduce tracking by advertisers and other companies, giving you more control over your online privacy. Remember, some websites may not function perfectly with third-party cookies blocked, but most will work just fine, especially in incognito mode. If you ever want to change this setting, just repeat these steps and select a different option. Staying in control of your privacy is easier than ever with Chrome's updated cookie settings. Thanks for watching, and enjoy safer, more private browsing.